Hi, every day I'm speaking on a particular topic. Yesterday I explained AWS services like S3 and IAM. So today I'm going to explain about AWS Virtual Private Cloud. It's related to networking. See, I didn't explain it very well yesterday. I have said it what I know, what I understand, and how can I express my thoughts. At the end of the day, my explanation to be clear and can be understood by the listener. That's it. Everyone are behind me and after me. It's not about them, it's about me. My speaking skills in English have improved a lot than day one. Now I have started explaining concepts also. Yes, I couldn't explain properly and clearly. I couldn't articulate proper words and proper ideas or the thoughts about that concept. Everything is real. This is not any AI voice or something else. I am speaking very clearly in real time. So many people on Instagram and YouTube, they are speaking well. While I am scrolling YouTube or Instagram, sometimes I ask myself why I am can't able to speak like them. But that's not true. I am in the between progress and perfection, and I will be like this for I have to sustain here so much of time. It will take over time. Comparing with native speakers and the YouTube influencers or the Instagram influencers is very bad thing. It's like a shit crap. It dislikes you and did not motivate you anymore. In between I pick a call. In between I take a call. So there is a miscommunication in between. So don't think about it. These things happen for everybody and I will get handled like this. So our goal is to improve our speaking skills, and our goal is not to compare with other people. So compare with yourself and talk about yourself, talk about your interested topics, talk about your related topics, talk about the things that are related to your environment. Don't speak about other people, don't speak about other nonsense stuff. Try to enhance your skills and try to upgrade yourself as per the society, as per the knowledge you need. Speaking faster is a normal thing. First, if you lay foundation on this like this, then you can speak very fastly and you can deliberately express your thoughts and ideas. It goes like a flow. One more thing is you have to learn from real-time people, not like recording videos and watching YouTube or reading books. It's not much efficient. Interacting with real-time people is more efficient. At that moment you will learn new words and you will know how to use the more English grammar or how to speak more clearly, where to use what to use where. You will learn so simply. There is no need to spend a lot of time by reading, scrolling and learning from YouTube videos, it is all not needed. Try to interact with real-time people if they are near to you. So, let me explain about AWS Virtual Private Cloud. It is a networking service which is related to AWS. This service is used to create virtual private clouds in region because the virtual private cloud is related to region. In virtual private cloud, we create subnets. Subnets are related to zones. In zones, we create resources. Resources are created in data centers. Data centers where actually have infra. Infra means servers, current, about cooling fans, manpower, databases, racks, all that stuff. They all maintain the things that you need to store. And hosting websites, storing data for longer time or much less time. It's about content delivery. It's about database, maintaining your data to analyze analytically. If you have an application, you can do it also. And that's about data center. That is not the main topic. The main topic is virtual private cloud. So I created an virtual private cloud in region. Then I created two subnets. You know, AWS subnets are private by default. They are not public at all. To access them, we need to attach a internet gateway to the virtual private cloud. Then after attaching internet gateway to the VPC, we need to add details in the route table. Route table have a complete information where to send and how to transfer the traffic from one source to destination. It have source and destination list, so it transfer data from one source to other destination, destination to source to destination, destination to source. That's it. If you want to access the subnets within the same virtual private cloud, there is no need of internet gateway. So if you are in the same network, then no need of getting to the route table. The subnet will directly connect to route table and route table transfer the traffic to the resources that are existing in the virtual private cloud. So for example, think like a room. If you are in a closed room, there is a router and 3 or 4 members connected to that router. Each member will get different IP address, but they will get same IP address but different host address. That's it. So if you want to send the information or if you want to send a message to the person next to you in a room, the router will transfer directly to the other person. It do not send your traffic to the internet service provider, then internet service provider to the destination. It's all not needed. But subnets also work like that only. So if you want to access the information from internet, subnet traffic will be sent to the route table send it to the internet gateway. So here we can create public subnets and private subnets. I already said to you, subnets are private by default. Private by default means if we add a internet gateway within the route table, then the subnets all are public by default. But to create a private subnet, we need to create a new route table and we need to associate a private subnet. The subnet, we need to make it private. We associate it to private route table. Then it will be private subnet. That's it. Private subnet and public subnet depends on the route table. Whether you are adding to the public subnet, public route table or private route table. And public route table is connected to or have information about internet gateway, and a private subnet resources could not access the internet. because they are private